Hi everyone, today's technique video we're going to be running through a really effective drill to increase your thoracic mobility. So your thoracic, which is the sort of mid-upper back section of your back, you'll find if you're sitting at a desk a lot that you'll get very kyphotic shoulders, so kyphotic upper back, so really rounded forward. So this can prevent you from getting full range of motion through, say, like a shoulder press movement or through anything like you're pulling overhead. It also, tight upper back can lead to the shoulder blades not being able to glide correctly. So we've got Mel here, she's going to come into thoracic extension. She's going to lower her hips a little bit. She's on the edge of a box. You can also use the edge of a bench or a chair, something that's comfortable, and then she's going to bring her arms back overhead and just finding a range that brings on a nice stretch or release to her upper back, and then bring her hands back down to her hips, and then just repeating for a few more times so she can start to really feel the mobility. So to progress that, what you would do is take a plate. So we've got a 2.5 kilo plate here, and then this would allow you to create even more mobility because it has a little bit more force to it. So you can see how that gets Mel's hands a little bit further back. Just do one more. Yeah, really good. And then coming all the way back over. Nice. So again, 10 to 15 reps, you'll start to really feel that upper back start to loosen up. This is a really effective drill to do before an upper body strength session to create that maximum thoracic mobility.